Hi traders, here we are looking at a potential trade forming on Brent oil. We are looking at time frame correlation between the daily, the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame. We're using the stretch principle and we're going to be looking at more the bro principle today, and we're going to see how that correlates and why we're taking a position on this Brent oil. This and more on this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the Brent oil trade. What am I looking at? Now, I'm looking at the stretch principle, basically what we spoke about from our previous trading videos. I looked at a couple of other instruments as well. Now, those of you who don't understand the stretch principle, please refer to our idea section on the Trading View platform, and you can understand that. It will be a 5-part video series where we'll be building on this more and more. Right. Not only going to show you just the theory of it, it's just going to show you the practical side of it as well as we are live trading it. I did take a look at the S&P as well, but according to the stretch and the range bro principle, this has already gone further down to the downside, not a trade at the moment. Did take a look at GBPUSD, the same thing over there as well. It's more, the bro is more to the downside, and the DAX is pretty much similar, and gold as well, not really seeing any trade potential there.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
The only one that we did see is Brent oil at the moment. Now, let me run you through on what we are seeing over here. So, in terms of the trend, I did take a look on the daily. So at the moment, this is what we call a top to bottom move in an uptrend. So this is counter trend, is a phase 2 move. The next thing is on the 4 hour, I am taking a look at a downtrend here as well. If you take a look, if I were to just shrink that down, you can see with our smart money indicator as well. Let me just maximize that. With our smart money indicator, you can see that it's taken out its last high. In fact, to be honest, let me just pull that in a little bit more. Actually, our last swing actually came over here. In fact, that's not actually a swing low according to our quantification that is coming in here. Let me just expand that a bit more so that you can see the arrows a bit more clearly. So you can see that's our smart money indicator saying that according to our formula quantification, that is the top that has been confirmed there. So according to that, actually we still do not have a downtrend over here as well on the 4 hour. This was the last swing. This is still a higher low. So at the moment it's still an uptrend. Okay, right. So that's what I got over there as well. So then, if I were to take a look on the 1 hour time frame, so then what I've got over here as well, so let's take a look at the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I have its last low being broken over here, telling that that's a downtrend at the moment. So in fact, what I'm actually doing in correlating is that on the daily time frame, I'm taking towards the top to bottom move, right, as a counter trend. Same thing over here on the 4 hour. I'm looking for the 4 hour high to confirm to become a market compression. And then on the 1 hour, I'm taking it as a downtrend phase 1. And based on the bro principle, that gives me an environment view. Now, going on into the bro principle for today, let me just expand um, the 1 hour chart over here. What I'm really looking at, traders, let me just put that in perspective for you. So I've got my opening price over here, and I've got my equidistant line of the stretch. Now, for those of you who don't understand what the stretch is, please do refer to my previous videos on this. Okay, the first part of the 5-part video series is on TradingView under the idea section. So I got the equidistant stretch line. Now we can see that today the Brent oil has broken the lower stretch line, okay, the lower stretch line. So therefore indicating that the BRO is going to form to the downside. Now, some of you may be wondering, what, Tiru, what is this BRO that you're talking about? Now, in terms of the BRO over there, let me just pull up this as well. Let me just bring this up very quickly so that I got my numbers. So this is what we are looking at from the BRO. So let me just let me just explain what the BRO is before I go into type in the numbers over here.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Now, the BRO basically, if you take a look at the 1 hour time, not the 1 hour, let me just show you the daily time frame. So if you take a look at the daily time frame, if you take a look, traders, as I explained the stretch to you all the last time, every single day, if you see there's a recurring principle in an OHLC bar, if you got the high and the low, the 2 points, and then if I were to put an open on that, again you can see that it's segregated now into two parts, isn't it? One is the smaller range from open, which we spoke about from before, which is also known as the stretch. The other one is what we call the bigger range from the open, right? Which is known as your bro, right? Yeah, I know some of my traders, make fun of that and say, "Oh, hey, bro," that's what we're looking to capture, the bro, right? So that's the bigger range from open. So today, all I'm asking is, as I'm looking at the daily time frame forming, to which direction is my bro going to form? Is it towards the downside today? Or is it towards the upside, right? That's the question you're really asking. Based on that, then you can go on to the lower time frames to then take a position. Okay, to take a position. Now, if I were to segregate down, and as you can see, we are nicely in profit. It's gone below the blue line at the moment. Now, what is the rationale behind this? Now, let me type in the numbers, and then you can start to see what I'm actually doing. So, now, towards the upside, I'll explain this in a minute. I will just type in the numbers for now. And this one over here will be um, 57, but this is increasing as we speak. I will explain that in a minute. And then finally, we got this, which is our range, which I'll explain in a minute, and we can put that all together. I'll roughly explain it, but the main thing I really want to explain for today is the BRO concept. Right. So we got, what does this 45 means? The 45 is basically from the opening price. So everything is in reference to the opening price. Okay. This is your true main indicator in an intraday time frame chart. So from the opening price, if you take a look to the high, yeah, what we got is 45 points, as you can see, yeah. And then from the opening price to the low at the moment, as far as I calculated up to the blue line is 57. Now it is increasing, right? So let me do that one more time and then I can edit this number. So from this opening price at the moment, that is basically about 76 points at the moment, which is what it's doing, yeah? So let me just quickly just do that. So that's what it's doing. So 76 roughly, yeah? So 76 points at the moment, okay? So now look at it, right? What I've just mentioned. If I were to summarize all of this, starting from this green line, which is the start of the day, right, onto the daily time frame, how does that bar look like? Opening price is here. The highest point it went is here, right? And the lowest point so far is all the way here. Yeah. So you can see that as of now, the distance between the open to the low point is 76 points, and the distance between the open to the high is 45 points. Yeah. So you see, when it's broken the lower stretch line, that's my first indication that the BRO is going to form to the low side today, which is in correlation with my daily time frame, which we saw before that it was a top to bottom move in a counter trend to an uptrend. Okay, so it is all aligning at the moment. Now, so in another perspective, what I just want to show you, if I just were to minimize that chart, this is the bar that is forming on the 1 hour onto the daily time frame. And I'm looking to capture from the open, I'm looking to capture the BRO, and the BRO, which is going to form its range for the day. Now, based on the range is how I put my target for this green line, which I'm going to be covering in the next videos as well as we do some live trading on this concept. Okay, so that's the thing I wanted to impart to you guys today in terms of the BRO principle, the bigger range from open. This is what we are looking to capture every single day. Where is the BRO going to form? Is it going to form in terms of to the downside or to the upside? Okay, that's all we are looking to do. Now, in the coming up videos, I will look at the different types of bar formation that can come in terms of forming its range through the stretch or the BRO. But for today, I just want to impart this, which is the bigger range from open. That's what you're looking to capture as an intraday trader towards that bigger range from open direction, and that bigger range from open forming its range. That's what we're looking at. And you can see that in real time as we are speaking from the opening price is going more and more further to our target. Okay, I'll update this idea as it goes along. Hopefully you guys got the second principle out of this whole stretch principle concept of trading and range formation concept trading, which is a range runner strategy. So this is the second part in this 5-part video series, and as I publish the other ideas, I'll go through the other parts of this entire strategy concept. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this trading video. Use these concepts to also use it in your own strategy. They are cross-transferable concepts that can be used in any way that you want. Okay. All right, that's all from us for now on this trading video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.